Hi again.
Hi.
So we're doing part 2 now. We are questions 5 and 6. So we're going to start with question 5, which is Old Earth and Ancient Life with Comte de Buffon, which is probably pronounced very incorrectly on my part.
But it's close enough.
Close enough. So he was from, I believe, France, if I remember correctly. And his main focus in his life and what directed his study was he was trying to write a book series, for lack of a better term, called Historia Naturale. Probably slaughtered that one as well. In which he tried to record the natural works of his day. So he tried to record all the sciences that they had been discovering. He wanted to write about 50, but he only made it to 36 before he died. But because of this quest to write this, he discovered a few cool things, which we'll discuss.
Yeah, so one of the major things that he thought of, and something that kind of set him apart from other scientists from before him, was that he believed that a comet could have hit the sun, and that by hitting the sun it would knock out molten rock that would lay the basis for the different planets in the solar system, that was how life was created on the Earth, and that it would take about 70,000 years instead of 7,000, which is biblically what it said. So he basically kind of took religion out of the equation when it came to science and how the Earth came to be. And then he also believed that migration could cause the changes in different animals. So basically, animals would evolve based on how far away from each other they moved in the environments they were in. And while both of these are wrong, they did start a good basis that Darwin and others would be able to base their theories off of and move forward.
Like having evidence to back up your theory.
And not just the Bible.
Not just the Bible. Bible's great. Yeah. So then for number 6, it is The Colony of Human Populations with Thomas Malthus. So he was known for his work on how population grew over time, and he published a paper called, let's see if I get this right, An Essay on the Principle of Population and its Effects as it affects the future improvement of society, published in and he published that paper in 1978.
Or 1798.
1798. Yeah. And so, pick this up so you can see it. It's pretty cool. So he studied and noticed that population, it doesn't just grow arithmetically, it grows geometrically, which is also saying exponentially. Thank you, the word slipped my mind. And so he noticed that when the population got higher, that it would reach a point where it would plateau because there
wouldn't be enough food to support
food or resources for human population or any kind of animal population. Another thing that he was really well known for is that he compared humans as a group of animals, just like the ecologists of his day, rather than humans being like a separate deity. So that was really influential for many scientists. I'm trying to get rid of my screen share. Aha, there it is.
Oh. Yeah, so one of the biggest changes that this did is by the fact that he was shifting the view of studying humans from being separate from animals to applying the same principles. It set the groundwork for Darwin, for him to be able to say evolution and make the point that humans evolved just like any other animals would, because in reality, we all live in an environment. We have to change in order to be able to live with that. So that different viewpoint that he made was just a really big changing point in studying humans as a group.
And those are the answers to 5 and 6.
Yep.